Hello, champions. Welcome back. We are going through our journey how to set up the Spark environment on Windows machine. And to have that, there are certain prerequisites. And with respect to those prerequisites, in our previous session, we have installed Java and set its environment variables. In today's session, we are going to focus how to do the Python installation. We know it very well. If you want to leverage Spark or PySpark for the computation perspective, then Python is the mandatory stuff. So let's begin how to download, install, and set up the environment variables for Python. Before moving with installation, let's verify is Python available in my machine or not. So for checking Python availability in my machine, what I need to do, I need to go into the command prompt and I need to type Python. Okay, so over here what we are able to see, Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. So Python is not installed, friends, over here in my machine. What I need to do, I need to proceed with the installation. So in order to install Python, what you need to do, you just need to visit onto this particular thread. I have mentioned it in the slide pack, and it is recommended that you need to have Python 2.7 or higher version. So let me copy and paste it into the web browser, and once you paste it onto the web browser, this particular screen will open, and over here we are able to see the option for download. Okay, so you just need to click the required version. Say Python 3.11.4 is the updated version or the newest version that is provided by Python, and it is for say Windows. So let me click on it and start downloading. So I can give path for this wherever I want to store. So let me give a path. So over here I want to store this particular file, exe file. So it is already existing. Let me replace it. So installation, the file has been downloaded. Now let me open it and proceed with the installation. So run as administrator, then click yes. Okay, so over here you are having two options, install now, and it will include like idle pip and documentations, create shortcuts and file associations. So, and if you want to proceed with the customization, you can click over here. I'm going with the normal or the default settings. So let me press on to the install now. So Python is being installed in my machine. It will take couple of minutes and we will be having Python. So the installation is going on, friends. It is taking some time and we know it happens. Post this particular installation, we need to proceed with environment variable setting. Okay, so setup was successful. Let me close this and proceed with environment variable settings. So over here, I just need to click onto the path and add new environment variable. So I just need to check where the Python has been installed. So it is installed in C users HP, and then okay. So Python has been installed onto this particular path. What I need to do, I just need to copy this particular path and paste it inside the environment variables. So I'm just going to paste it, click OK, OK, and OK. Okay, so environment variable setting has been done, and let me close this and open the CMD again, and then try to type Python. And yes, we are able to see Python. So friends, Python has been installed in our machine. Okay, so let me summarize what we have done in this particular session. So we have installed Python, and for that, first we have downloaded it, then installed it, and proceed with the environment variable setting. And finally, we are able to check that Python has been installed successfully. And we are doing these particular things in order to have Spark in our machine. In the next session, we will be going through with Spark downloading and its environment variable configuration. So, thank you, friends. Have a good day. Take care.